The daily or pre-shift inspection of cranes is a statutory requirement in many countries, and it helps to keep you safe and compliant with local regulations. But the paper forms used to record the details have a lot of issues and can lead to skipped inspections. Why are we still using paper when everything else has gone digital? Konecranes CheckApp, a modern digital solution for daily or pre-shift inspections. This intuitive app gives you 15 mandatory checkpoints that are compliant with local regulations and can be marked either pass or fail. If you find a defect, mark it and add text to explain. You also have the option to add a photo if needed. After completing all the checkpoints, press Submit and you're done. It's that easy. And if you're ever in doubt on how to inspect, detailed instructions are provided in the app. Your daily inspection results are viewable in real time on yourkonecranes.com. There, you can see the status by asset, or drill into the details of a single inspection. You can also view the summary to identify problematic assets or safety procedures that can affect your safety and productivity. Compliance auditing has never been quicker or easier. Contact Konecranes today.